In this video, I will show you how you can make this Vox-style news article animation using Premiere Pro in very easy way, so watch the video till the end. First of all, you have to import the background material. I have given its link down in the description. Now drag the paper animation clip in the timeline. Then drag the crumbled paper image below it. Now select the paper animation layer, go to Effect Controls panel, change its blend mode to multiply and opacity to 50%. Now create a new item of color matte and choose bright yellow color. Name it Yellow. Drag it to the timeline, go to Effect Controls, then change its blend mode to multiply and opacity to 10%. This will give a yellowish tone. Now add the grid layer and resize it to the frame size. Again, change its blend mode to multiply and opacity to 50%. Now open the news article in the browser which you want to animate. I have copied the content in my notepad. First, copy the main heading. Then select the text tool and paste the text. Now go to Essential Graphics and align the text. Set the font size to 90 and choose font Budani MT Bold. And also click Bold Text option here. Align it and adjust the line spacing. Now change its color to black. Change its position accordingly. Again, go to the news article and copy the subheading. Go to Text tool and paste the text. Now do these settings. Change its font style to regular and also click here to remove bold. Set its font size to 50, then adjust its position. Now I will add date. Use Text tool and type the date. Change its color to white and font size to 60. Now go to Effect Controls and go to Text Properties. Click on the background checkbox and change color to red. Increase its opacity and border. Now adjust its position. Now I will add the New York Times logo. Change its size to 55 and adjust the position. Now to add a line, go to Pen tool and make a point here, then hold Shift, then make another point. Go to Effect Controls, turn off the fill and add stroke. Change its color to black, then set the stroke width to 5. Now I will add the Mark Zuckerberg's image. Adjust the position, then go to Effects panel and search for Tint. Apply it to the image. It will give a black and white look. Now add another effect called Drop Shadow. Set the color to red. Increase opacity to 100. Set direction 95 and distance to 10. Now we have added all elements, it's halfway done, and it looks like this. Now I will animate each layer. First, I will animate date text. Select the layer and go to Effect Controls. Make a keyframe at position and move it 1 second forward. Now set its position to outside of the frame. Now select both keyframes and right-click, then choose Ease In. Expand the options and make the graph look like this. Now select the main heading layer and go to Effects, search for Crop, and apply it to the layer. Make keyframes on the right, then move 1 second back and change its value to 100%. Select both keyframes and choose Ease In, then make the graph look like this. Now select the subheading layer and make a keyframe in position at 1 second, then move 1 second back and position it down a little bit. Then make the same keyframes on the opacity from 0 to 100% to make a fade-in pop-up effect. Now do the same process. Select both keyframes, then choose Ease In. I'm changing the size of the image because it's covering the text behind. Now go to Main Heading layer and copy the crop effect, then paste it to the Line layer. Now copy the opacity property from Subheading layer and go to New York Times logo layer, and before pasting, make the same position keyframes for the pop-up effect. Then paste the opacity effect. Now go to Zuckerberg image layer and make keyframes for vertical motion. Then select both keyframes and choose Ease In. Now it looks like this. Now I will add highlight effect in the texts. So first, go to Rectangle tool and make a rectangle around the text like this. Now go to Effect Controls and turn on the fill. Disable the stroke, change the color to yellow, then go to Opacity and change its blend mode to Multiply. Now search for effect Roughen Edges and add it. Increase border to 20, position it on the timeline, then add crop effect. Add keyframe on the right and move it 1 second forward, then make the keyframe at start and increase value to 100. Now select both keyframes, then choose Ease In and make the graph look like this. Now repeat the process and make another highlight effect for subheading. Make a square, then change blend mode to multiply, add roughened edges effect, and increase border to 20. Then add crop effect and make keyframes in right from 100 to 0, ease in the graph. Now adjust both highlight layers in the timeline. Now it looks like this. Now finally, select all layers, right-click and select Nest to group the layers into one layer. Create a new Adjust layer to add blur effect and place it in the timeline. Go to Effect, search Gaussian Blur and add it. Go to Effect Control and make keyframes on blurriness like this. This is an end keyframe with 0 value. Increase value to 20 in middle keyframe, again reduce to 0 in starting keyframe. This will give a blur effect. Now position it at the right spot in the timeline. Now to make a zoom in effect, select the nested layer, go to Effect Controls and make a keyframe at scale, then move ahead and make another keyframe and increase scale to 105. Select both keyframes and choose Ease In and make the graph look like this. Make final adjustments and it's done. I know the video was a little long, but it was worth it. We made this newspaper effect without After Effects. If you want this Premiere project file, comment down below and I will share the link. And if you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more editing tutorials. And if you want to know how to make map animations, you can check out these videos.